Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka jingwan len shop ting jong ka klam jing pang COVID-19 hapo kani ka jilla ha kani ka kenti ka baar kala khat jubor ye ka jingem jong ki sangut ki pulit bad yamanta ki don hadu arspa angut ki pulit jong kani ka jilla Meghalaya ki balaya bit ya kani ka jingpang ya kani la pentip da menteri katanat ka koj ka khia uba Alexander Elhek ubala yo jingtip na ka office jong director general of police ha ka jing pelat ya ka wei ka jing ruai aimen sim ya ki breu ki bala don ka benta ka bahakmat ban ya khun thma persha ya uknyang jingpang COVID-19 ya ka bala ai kerteng au khaye kasam ya ka bala penlong ha ka police headquarter ka badan handong ba Shillong.
As Law and Order has just mentioned, it's a very, as far as I'm concerned, a very interesting and yet significant day. Because the Honorable Health Minister Sri El Haq is here to launch this tribute song dedicated to all the frontline workers, and this has been done by some of our talented freelancing police personnel. And I was listening to the song yesterday. It's now you listen to it, Honorable Health Minister will be inaugurating it. It's very interesting, because we had last year also some of our senior officers, including the SP East Khasi Hills and SP City here, full of talent, Meghalaya police, great musicians. They did a cover song on the Beatles' immortal Imagine. But I feel that this time, this is much better than that song, because, we have our extremely talented group, this led by Bikash Guru. Incidentally, he is the composer and the songwriter. I was going through the lyrics, and in challenging times like this, all of us, especially in Meghalaya Police, like the doctors and nurses and the health workers, the sanitation workers, our boys and girls have always been at the forefront of this fight since it all started last March. It's a combat which has affected all of us, our families, our children. But what is significant here is, in Meghalaya Police as the head of the police force, I must put one thing on record. At no point in time, not a single person of the Meghalaya Police has ever shirked from work. In fact, they were always at the forefront. We have suffered a lot. I was just telling Honorable Health Minister, we lost 5 or 4 personnel to this pandemic. We have, today also, 206 of our boys and girls are affected. 5 of them are in hospital. Notwithstanding that, it's been a great fight, and I always tell them, you see, challenges will be there in life. I'm at the fag end of my career. Challenges will always be there. But you can't shirk. You have to be part of the challenge. And that is the only meaning of existence. But here, this group has done something really sublime. It's not associated with policemen. If somebody, talks about a policeman, he says he's a singer. The first response will be some kind of a laughter. But here, when I was hearing the song, it's in Hindi. It says, "Aao lele kasam." The English equivalent, come on, let's take this pledge. The word kasam has 2 connotations. Either it is used as a promise or as a pledge. Here is used as a pledge. Is jang ko hum jeet jayenge. We'll win this war. Very positive. Is jahan ko hum bachayenge. We'll save this world. Now the composer, the songwriter has not ended it there. When I was surprised, he's a great policeman, very sublime. इस जंग को हम जीतेंगे, इस जहां को हम बचाएंगे, and then कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे. We'll uproot corona. He didn't stop there also. He had a final word, the bottom line. He says, इस जहां को हम स्वर्ग बनाएंगे. We'll make this world once again heaven.
I take this privilege and honor to launch this song presented by the Bikash and his group and all the police force personnel.
मेरे देश के वासियों आओ ले कसम, मेरे देश के वासियों आओ ले कसम, इस जंग को हम जीत जाएंगे, इस जहां को हम बचाएंगे, इस जंग को हम जीत जाएंगे, इस जहां को हम बचाएंगे, कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे, इस जहां को स्वर्ग बनाएंगे। सलाम है वर्दी वालों को, सलाम है डॉक्टर नर्स को, जो वतन के नाम कुर्बान हुए, जो खुद सो गए और जगा के गए। सलाम है एनजीओस को, सलाम है हर एक वासी को, जो फरिश्ते बनकर उभरे थे, जो भूखे प्यासों को देते थे। आओ खाए कसम हर एक बलिदान को, आओ खाए कसम हर एक बलिदान को, जाया न कभी होने देंगे, हर मुश्किलों से लड़ जाएंगे, जाया न कभी होने देंगे, हर मुश्किलों से बढ़ जाएंगे, कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे, इस जहां को स्वर्ग बनाएंगे, जिंदगी के हर कदम को जीत लेंगे हम, जिंदगी के हर कदम को जीत लेंगे हम, जितनी भी आए आंधी तूफान हम साथ मिलकर करेंगे पार, जितनी भी आए आंधी तूफान हम साथ मिलकर करेंगे पार, इस जहां को स्वर्ग बनाएंगे, कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे, इस जहां को स्वर्ग बनाएंगे, कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे।
So I'm very thankful the entire police force and police personnel for taking this initiative for launching officially this song today. This song is completely contribute to all the health workers, all the COVID warriors. So many people are coming forward today to contribute how to fight against this COVID-19. They have come in different forms. Like the Bikajan group, they have come with the very melody voice, the song. Somebody are coming forward openly, contributing with the Corona Care Center. Somebody coming with the concentrator, the oxygen concentrator. So many are coming with the dry ration, like what they have done in the East Cassils the SP of East Cassils office. I was told by my people from Bantharamgra constituency, the OC himself, he went door to door to collect the names of the BPL family to distribute this dry ration to the poor family. I said, from where they are getting this dry ration? They said it is all sponsored by the SP East Cassils. So you should give a big hand to SPS KCL also for their contribution. Many people in the different way and different form, they are directly or indirectly are contributing to fight against COVID-19. Today, as I said by the DGP, 200 plus police personnel have been infected by the COVID-19. They have lost 5 lives, all 5 prisoners' life. It's a great loss to nations. Today we are all fighting the invisible enemy. The enemy who cannot be visible, cannot be seen. But it is our duty and a responsibility for every individual. You should take as an individual war. We should fight against this COVID-19. As a collective responsibility and a collective duty, we should fight against this COVID-19. We don't know what will happen. Many scientists, the medical experts, they also predicted the third wave will come. Anytime, any moment, the third wave also will come. As per the observations of the medical experts and scientists, it will directly affect the children. So how much we are ready and prepared as the government, as the health department, as the police force, how to protect our children. I've seen our police force. They are working day and night. They were standing on the road. They are very vulnerable people. They are affected, now already affected 200 of them. Many can be affected in future. So they are also working day and night to ensure the safety of every individual life. The life is very precious. It's our duty and our responsibility. Every one of us. Don't take us only because we are in the government employees, the police department or the health department, as a simple citizens of our country, simple citizens of our state. It's our duty and responsibility to fight against this COVID-19 and protect. That's why we need to give more awareness. We have seen in many places, people are hesitant to take the vaccine. I'm telling you, the shield only who will protect our life is only the vaccine. That's why we have to give more awareness, more publicity. We have Comrade Sidor here from the IPR. They are doing a lot of things to give to disseminate the information to all the people through different form, through the painting, through the arts, through so many creative activities to reach out to the people, how the people to take the vaccine. Today we have taken the review. You cannot believe in Southwest Khasi Hills, till today the entire district, only 24 people have vaccinated. How we can save the life of the people, tell me. 24 people, the entire district. I told the DC, she was there in the meeting. I said, we have to organize, make public awareness, call the community leader, the Dorbar Shroom, call the church elders, call the religious leaders. Everybody should take part, should come on board to fight against the COVID-19. So today we have seen the Bikajan teams, how they have composed the song, how they have prepared themselves to make the song which has happened today, to protect, to fight. In the other form, the other way around, they have also contributing to protect the life of the people.